XYO clearly faces a medium-term impediment at 0.007, which is unquestionably critical. XYO has gained bullish momentum over the last week, acquiring 1.61, which is really important. The true intraday volume of XYO remains extremely significant at 2,166,870. The XYO US dollar pair is trading below the EMA 20, indicating that the XYO's reasonable intraday volume is still at 2,166,870, which is extremely large. July 20th, 2023. In this video, we will walk you through the XYO cost examination for now, or for actually 1 week from now, and attempt to answer these questions. I frequently received genuine clarification on some pressing concerns. Facts. What is clearly the interim cost assumption for XYO is that XYO is a truly sensible venture, which in a true sense is highly crucial. XYO support and opposition levels, for example, are fundamentally significant, nevertheless. Before delving deeply into the XYO specialized inquiry, let us first address the type of present economic scenario that is, for the most part, actually critical. Market examination over the most recent 24 hours revealed a 1.84% drop, bringing the overall total cryptographic money market to $1,190,985,483,416. In a significant way, the genuinely absolute exchanging volume basically remains at 31,315,169,849. Pretty in contrast to popular belief, Bitcoin has 49.89% of the market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, demonstrating how July 20th, 2023. In this video, we will lead you through the XYO cost examination for now or the following week, and we will sincerely endeavor to answer these frequently essentially sought clarification on some critical difficulties. Facts. What is almost definitely the short-term cost forecast for XYO will be XYO. A very wise speculation, particularly in light of mainstream thinking, which has resulted in Bitcoin's cost dropping to 30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29 in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital forms of money as Ethereum has seen a value decrease of 0.24 coming to 1882.48 during the previous 24 hours or so they for the most part thought while distributing this blog. BNB exchanged at 246.58 following a value change of 0.42 within a comparable time span. These events, in particular, demonstrate that the market basically is moving in an essentially falling bearing for truly temporary in a particularly substantial degree right now and in every area that truly matters. In an unobtrusive manner, a general type of negative plummet may be noticed all around the crypto market. XYO backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So however, prior to jumping particularly deeply into the XYO specialized examination in a real sense, let us generally discuss the truly current economic situations in a very large manner. Support, for the most part, is a level at which customers explicitly become more particularly dynamic and sort of block the coin as cost from decreasing any lower, which is generally actually enormous. Similarly, obstruction is a level at which vendors, in every practical sense, become truly dynamic and, for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Demonstrating how which basically caused Bitcoin as cost dropping down to 30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29 or so they certainly thought following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of XYO execution. The fundamentally current XYO cost fundamentally is 0.006 with an exchanging volume of 216.6870 and the beyond 24 hours lovely. In spite of mainstream thinking presently, XYO essentially is somewhere near 0.52 since yesterday, with a market capitalization of 78,906,645 United States. DXYO examinations are expensive. The examination for July 20th, 2023 inside a kind of day-to-day time period made sense beneath. and Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after seeing a decline of 0.77 in esteem, essentially as opposed to widespread believing we utilize in every practical sense relative strength index. RSI movement is unquestionably normal. Union and dissimilarity mapped support levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including very simple moving in every practical sense, regular small and remarkable normal everyday movement EMA to essentially investigate the future development of the XYO, demonstrating that Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after seeing a drop of 0.77. In esteem in a very significant way, RSI suggesting oversold stage, while exchanging at 24 AM for the most part is attempting to sort of break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, demonstrating that Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market while Ethereum has a genuine predominance of 16.33%. What is expressly essentially temporary cost expectation for XYO is XYO. While XYO's Williams percent our pointer sort of is at 72.603 for the 14-day time span, suggesting an impartial condition. This is a very wise bet. A frequently indicated trade is fully feasible at this range, which is basically enormous. The immediate opposition for XYO is generally found at 0.006, and a breakout from this level could explicitly lead to the kind of next obstruction which can generally be found at 0.007, demonstrating that XYO picked up bullish speed over the genuinely previous week, acquiring 1.61, which is very significant. On the other hand, on the off chance that the bearer essentially assume command and XYO cost explicitly neglects to fundamentally BR. As the BTC price gets ready for a bull market in 2023, traders say, get ready. Bitcoin. Traders who are watching two key trend lines say that the market is getting ready for its next bull run in a classic way. Mustache and Titan of Crypto, two well-known traders, recently looked at social media and found that the BTC price was about to break out. The bull market line for Bitcoin looks for a classic crossover. Titan of Crypto says that Bitcoin's price cycles are very similar to those of the past, and that the time is almost right for a bullish rise. By uploading past price data, he drew attention to the 21-week simple moving average, SMA, which is currently at $27,900, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. Once this upward-sloping trend line goes above the spot price range, a long period of rising prices follows. This is why the 21-week simple moving average is called the bull market line. Titan of Crypto said that what was happening was a bull market kickoff. Once the weekly 21 MA crosses over the BTC market structure, it will kick off the bull market, he said. 4 years ago,